I'm gonna drop a penny in. Watch what happens. Hi, I'm Sadie, and I have an experiment I want you to try with me. We are going to test the density of different objects to explore what happens when you put fluids and objects together with different densities. You are going to need a few simple things from around your house: a tall, clear glass or jar, corn syrup, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, hard candy, small paperclip, small stone, and a penny. Start by pouring the liquids into the jar in this order: corn syrup, colored water, and vegetable oil. If you don't have one of these liquids, that's okay. You can still do the activity with the liquids that you have. Each of the liquids has a different density. Instead of mixing, the oil floats on top of the water. That means for the same volume, oil has less mass than the water. What does that mean about corn syrup? Next, drop the different items you found into the jar. I'm gonna drop a penny in. Watch what happens. Did it go straight to the bottom? What happens to the other things you drop in? Complete the activity and come back when you are done. When you drop things in, what does their final position tell you about their density? What properties do these items have that either make them sink all the way to the bottom, part way to the bottom, or float on the top? Are there any other liquids you could think of that might have different densities? What else can you think of?
Let us know what you thought of this video down in the comments section. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and a share. And follow STEM in 30 on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to the National Air and Space Museum's YouTube channel.